Today, we're diving into the topic of limiting beliefs that hold us back from reaching our potential. These beliefs act as invisible chains, keeping us from living the life we desire. But fear not, because in today's video, we'll explore strategies to break free. To begin, let's understand what limiting beliefs are. They're deeply ingrained thoughts that convince us we're not capable. The first step is acknowledging their existence. How do we recognize these beliefs? Pay attention to negative thoughts about your goals. Identifying them is crucial because it allows us to challenge and change them. Now, let's move on to questioning their validity. Challenge these thoughts and reframe our mindset. Are they based on facts or assumptions? By questioning, we open the door to new possibilities. Once we've challenged our beliefs, we must replace them with empowering ones. This brings us to our third step, cultivating a positive mindset. Positive affirmations, visualization, and uplifting influences can help shift our mindset. Instead of dwelling on limitations, let's focus on what we can achieve. As we overcome limiting beliefs, it's essential to build resilience. View setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Surround yourself with a supportive system. In conclusion, reflect on your own beliefs and take proactive steps towards positive change. Breaking free from constraints is a journey, but with determination, you can achieve remarkable transformations. Remember, the power to change your life is within you. Check the link below for more help with letting go of limiting beliefs.